Alright, you guys, hello. What's going on? I feel like this is me in every vlog.
Right.
Hi y'all. Babe, you don't watch our vlogs. So, where?
No. On YouTube?
No, you don't. You don't watch it. We are about to go get something to eat. We're about to do a Tillie outfit of the day. Yep. Hold on. That's not gonna work. Let me get these kids out the car though. Okay, outfit of the Girl, I'm weak. Get out.
Oh my god.
You need help?
Yeah.
Okay, outfit of the day, Taylor. Come on, get out. Our fashionista. What are we wearing? Where's your shirt from?
Old Navy?
Good question. I don't know.
Am I right?
Target. Skirt from? Where's your skirt from?
Old Navy.
No, Gabe's. Shoes from Target. Purse from, I don't know. Show the purse. Super cute. Super cute. Come on, let's go. You got Carson. We about to go in so we can get a table.
Hey y'all.
What do you have, Carson? Shoe?
Yeah. These a piece of cheese.
Yeah. Hi.
Come on. What's it?
I don't know.
Huh? You know how long it took?
No, they didn't. Alright, babe. Outfit of the day. This is your socks, Carson's? They look big. Sit down. Sit down.
Start from the top.
Am I talking to myself?
I think like the hat's from what, maybe Lids or something like that.
Cam, am I talking to myself? I said sit down.
The shirt is from Saks.
You're lying, and that's it. We're done.
It's essential.
That don't mean nothing.
From Saks.
It's not.
I think it is.
Okay. Tic Tac Toe, 3 in a row.
That's an egg.
Huh?
Is that an egg?
That's the I-1. You're... No, you did not.
Let's just go, man.
What are you fussing for, little Skywalker?
Here go. I've already went. I went here. Here go.
I'm about to go get his toys.
Okay.
With our shades on.
Hey! Ow!
I'm sorry, you are being extra.
You scratched me.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. I was trying to poke you. Come on. Huh? Daddy said get a picture. Taylor?
Seriously.
Come on, Mama. Hello.
Hello.
Taylor. Come on.
I cracked your knuckles.
You did? Alright, you guys. Just had to change Carson in the car. I guess we gotta go around. You gonna push it? Come on, Nani. We're about to go change Carson, and then we're going to rack room shoes. Carson needs some more shoes so bad.
It's so different.
That's because it's shades.
Instead of it being gray, it's black and it's brown. Like
That's
brown.
because it's shades. You said instead of it being gray.
No, instead of it being gray, white, or whatever, it's
Yeah,
brown.
that's what shades does. It makes it, it shades it another color. Alright, so we're heading into rack room. They have BOGO on select styles. Let's see what that's about. I would say you need color for black men.
Hey, where's the Converse? What's up with the black? Okay, that's fine. Yeah. What?
Are these for boys?
Yeah, they are. Who you getting them for? Yeah.
You don't
I
like
see
them?
some shoes.
I mean, what are you asking for? Like,
For Carson.
dude, he has 2 pairs of shoes already. Grab another shoe.
Taylor found a shoe that she likes for back to school.
Oh, I can take pictures of this
Just
stuff.
like,
Who?
Can I hold
yeah,
it? Not. Whoa.
Whoa.
yeah, you feel me?
Yeah, maybe I do want to do a deal. Look at this stuff.
Wow.
It's so big.
Wow. Maybe we can find something for Daddy for Father's Day.
Hey Dad, why don't you go somewhere so we can find some things for
Which way do y'all want to go?
that way. That way. We want to go that way. This place is amazing. I want to go that way.
I didn't know it was this type of thing. That's a drink, a cup to drink out of. Ooh, Nani, if you had like a disco party or something, we could like, all the girls could have these.
Yeah.
That'd be so fun.
Wait, now I want a disco. Look at this necklace.
All right, come on, kiddos.
Now I want a
Go climb back up. Babe, you going too fast.
Look at
These earrings are so cute.
Yeah. Look at these.
Look at this.
For me. Look at these.
These are so cute.
For me, right? Oh, I want to go here more.
This is so cute. Look, this little top.
Look at this
What
one.
is it? That's a little too dressy for me. This is so cute. I think I have this.
Look, girl mom.
Pure
It says,
Deuces.
Mama.
Come on, Mama.
See?
I need this. I legit need this.
Look at these earrings.
Mama needs coffee.
Huh?
I need this.
I need these.
Nani, you would love this for like a birthday gift.
I would. Maybe you should surprise me. But the one that I really want is one of these, or one of these, or one of these.
So everything pink.
Yes. But I think the one that you should give me is this. This one.
The hair clips, Nani, for Mommy's hair. Or for your hair.
The one that I really want will be.
Which one do you really like? Pink, pink, pink.
I would like this one or this one. Or
This is Mommy's favorite color.
This is me.
You love. I definitely want one of these.
I just want one this and this. Look at these bracelets. Look at this, Mom. They get at the push. Yes, I see it.
Do I need one of these? Or is TikTok influencing me to get one of these?
Mom, look.
That's so cute.
I'll get this, this, and this.
Cam, get over here.
Oh, look, this headband.
Look at these earrings, Mama.
Yeah. I'll get these. These are all of them. I'll get all of them.
Okay, I'm not gonna get this, y'all. I think I'm being influenced.
Look at I'm not trying to.
Piano socks.
Dad, you left
Stop.
us.
He always does that at stores. Cam, they go to kids socks over here.
That look.
Oh
You got
my
these?
god.
Where's ours? Cam was so excited to come upstairs, and now we're going. Whoa! Wow, look at these necklaces. Mom, what are these for?
Change of scenery. We are now at the pool. Cam's trying to put on his float. I don't know if he can still fit it or not, but we're at the pool. All right.